What if I told you that you can turn a simple text prompt into a full-on video using AI, no editing skills, no fancy software needed? Sounds wild, right? Well, I'm about to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. And stick around till the end, because I'll show you a small trick that'll instantly make your videos look way more professional. And hey, if you're into time-saving AI tools that help you boost your income, don't forget to hit subscribe. Trust me, just one missed detail in this video, and you might miss out on something super valuable. First things first, go to the Hailuo AI website. I've dropped the link below in the video description. This is a 100% free tool, and it's incredibly easy to use. You can log in with your Gmail account, just one click, and you're in. Right after you log in, you'll instantly get 500 free credits to start creating videos. That's more than enough to follow along with this tutorial and test it yourself. Once you're inside, go ahead and click the Create button on the main dashboard. Now here's what you'll see. Two main options. 1. Create a video using images 2, or create a video using a text prompt. For this tutorial, we're going with the second option, text to video. Let me show you an example. I've got a fun prompt already written. It's a dramatic scene with Bigfoot and some superheroes. All I'm gonna do is copy that prompt and paste it into the text box right here inside Hailuo. And don't worry if you're not a pro at writing prompts. I've got a little trick to help you level it up fast. Right below the prompt box, there's a toggle that says something like Auto Enhance Prompt. Turn that on. When it lights up in color, usually blue or green, you're good. If it's black and white, it means it's off. Just click it again to activate. This feature helps rewrite your prompt into a more detailed cinematic version. And trust me, it makes a big difference in the final video. All right, we're ready to go. Now it's time to generate the video. Hit the big button that shows your credit balance. That's how you start rendering. Each video costs 25 credits. So with 500 credits, you've got plenty of room to play around. Want to generate 2 versions of the same prompt? That'll use 50 credits. Easy math. For now, I'm just going to generate one version. Click the button, then wait just a few seconds. You'll see a loading animation or progress bar. Usually, it takes less than 30 seconds. But if you're using it during peak hours, it might take a bit longer, since it's a free tool and traffic can be heavy. Pro tip, try using it early in the morning or late at night for faster results. And done. Your video is ready. Click to preview it. And if you're happy with how it looks, let's download it. Just look for the download button at the bottom right. Click it, and your video will be saved directly to your computer. One quick note. If you're on the free plan, the video will have a small watermark in the corner. But if you upgrade to a paid account, the watermark disappears. And you get faster rendering too. And that's it. We just turned a simple block of text into a fully generated video using AI. Pretty easy, right? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Jackie AI Flow for more tutorials on AI tools, content automation, and how to make money online with the help of technology. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read all of them. Catch you in the next one.